if you're gonna give up all those foods that you love for 30 days, shouldn't you learn as much as you wanna learn from the experience? The Whole30 is really a self-experiment. I think there's so much focus on the 30 days itself because that's the really challenging part. People just want to figure out how to get to day 30. And then on day 30, it's really difficult to convince them that they need to spend another 10 to 15 days in a really structured reintroduction. So I emphasize that we don't eliminate foods on the Whole30 because they're bad. We eliminate them because they're unknown. They can be problematic for some people, and we don't know how they'll work for you until you eliminate them, reintroduce them, and compare your experience. We've been really emphasizing the importance of reintroduction because reintro is really where you learn how those foods impact you. Without a proper reintroduction, there's no real food freedom because you're gonna have a hard time answering those questions. Is it worth it? And do I want it?